It was nice to hear our Carol from Poland because Polish people know their business. They work throughout the security professionals throughout the world. And now we carry on with the next presentation here as a keynote speaker. I would like you to present a gentleman who is 15 years in business. He joined OPEX 10 years ago and he is now customer care director. He is a huge lover of lasers and scanning, so he is our Star Trek guy. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Jacek Wójcik. Hello.
Hello everyone.
Jacek, I think you can hear me. Now I can see you with a smile. That's always nice.
I see myself on your screen a little bit blurred, but maybe it is not for everyone. Okay, but it is not a problem for presenting me today. The laser scanning technology used as a security device. So Optex as a Japanese company, we are involved in that technology and other technologies of the detection of the intrusion for many years. And laser technology, this is the most advanced what we are using. And today I'm approaching to you with the new type of the laser scanning sensor using LiDAR technology, and I will explain something about that. So let's get started my slot today.
Good. I'm waiting to see your presentation. I'm scanning you with the laser. You're good looking and a little bit blurry, but that's normal for the morning time, okay? If you can share the screen so I can confirm that we see your presentation. Great. It's uploading.
Okay.
You are still a black and white guy, and now I see it all, so you may carry on. Thank you, Jacek.
Okay. So LiDAR, light detection and ranging technology, used as a security device. So my name is Jacek Wójcik. I'm from Optex Poland, and what is Optex? Optex is a Japanese manufacturer established 1979, so 42 years old of history. May 26. This is our anniversary. So every year we have the special event dedicated to our history. It is located in Japan. We will go there using video this year as well as last year. Optex is involved in the several businesses, several points, several areas of technology. So the most important, the biggest one is security devices. Also, we are going now to visual verification, to automatic door sensors. What is another very strong part of our business. So many of our automatic door sensors are sold not on our brand, but on other manufacturers like OEM products, and definitely you can meet them at the daily duties. And especially in this pandemic circumstances, where we avoiding touching the locks, touching doors. So this technology is exploding. So also we have the vehicle sensors. This is our new devices, and with quite little bit a new approach to the technology, new approach to the gate detection systems. Also, we have a people counting system, LED lighting for CCTV. Also, big part of our products, they are factory automation devices. So all these small parts detecting color, detecting light, detecting thickness on the production line. Also, we are manufacturing that kind of devices. Water quality, so detecting of the pollution of the water, transparency of the water because of the pollution, because of the concentration of other parts in the water. So also we are involved in this part of the technology, in this part of this area of the environment. So Optex is presented in over 80 countries in the world. So we have several offices being involved to the regional markets, being closer to the customers, being more getting more information from the market to be more closer to our clients. So this is our approach, having these offices in the different cultures, in the different areas, in the different ways of doing projects, in the different ways of doing business in that field, because another language, another way of making business is in United Arab Emirates, done in United States, done in Europe. So this is the reason we have so many offices around the world. Okay, so let's get closer to the main subject of today's presentation. So what is LiDAR? What is LiDAR? So this is the most accurate technology for detecting the presence, detecting of the size of the position of the object inside the scanning area. So LiDAR is an acronym of light detection and ranging, or also a laser imaging detection and ranging. Because LiDAR sometimes is called 3D laser scanning or 2D laser scanning, a special combination of 3D scanning and laser scanning. So the main subject you have to remain that this is technology what uses the time of flight. So meaning all the calculations are based on the precise measurement of the light flight of the light in the space. So and having the difference in the time and having the measured distance because of the time, we can precisely calculate the position and the distance and the size of the object. So LiDAR technology is not specified only to the security devices. It is also commonly used as for making high resolution maps with geodesy in geomatics, archaeology, and other such kind of the science when we need the precise measurements without touching the subject. So I had my previous experience from laser scanning using LiDAR technology, laser scanning of the science or archaeological or high technology devices. So it was many years ago. And from that point, the technology get higher impact to the other fields of our daily life. What you can see here, this is the principle of the and the deeper look to the LiDAR device. So we have the laser emitter, and laser emitter emits the laser beam. Laser beam reflects from the mirror. The mirror rotates, and depending on the speed of the rotation, depending on the speed of the reflection, we can cover a bigger area of the scanning, bigger area of the detection, and also depends on that we have very high density of the data, because we have many points where the data can be collected from. So on the right hand side, this is the cut through the actual device, and this is not the device I'm talking about it today. This is our older device, but you can see how it does look in practice. So time of flight. So time of flight means everything is in the one device. So in the one device, you have the laser diode, you have the receiver, you have the scanning mechanism, meaning rotating mirror, and you have all the signal processing. And at the end of the signal processing, you have what is required for the security device. This is the information. Is the alarm or is the alarm circumstances, or there is no alarm circumstances? There is the area is free from the intrusion. This is what we expecting from the alarm device. So this is 0-1 discrimination only. So we don't need to analyze that another factors should be taken for the consideration. We have just proven alarm as a result of this time of flight scanning, and everything goes directly from the signal processing inside the device. So we don't need additional device for processing, additional high-speed computer or other such kind of device. We don't need the cloud calculation. We don't need the high-speed processor in additional device. Everything we have from the same body. Wide range detection and the high speed. So resolution of the scanning is 0.125 degrees or 0.25 degrees depends on the type of the laser. Such high resolution is required to achieve the proper detection at the end of the range, because on the further slides we can see that the range is quite significant, and because this is it contains both transmitter and emitter, so it is unaffected by changes of illumination of temperature. We have all the detection technology built in the same body. So this is very difficult to disturb the performance of this laser device on the illumination changes or temperature changes. What kind of applications we can use that technology, that laser scanners? Critical infrastructure like electrical substations, gas facilities, because this is also resistable against the electrical field. We can use it as a roof protection in the bank, warehouses, museums. We can use it as a wall protection, roof protection in commercial buildings. We can use it as a VIP residence, not only like a loitering protection, but also like a facade protection, roof protection, such kind of things. Important facilities like prisons, like airports, at different point of the security, for perimeter protection, for wall protection. all of that points on all that things fields, laser scanners can be used. And also we can combine it with the video cameras as a triggers for video cameras, and that combination is much more efficient than all these technologies, these technologies, visual and laser scanners separately. So combining it to the one system, you have a very reliable system for detection intrusion with video verification. We have started these devices, the security devices, using laser scanners more than 10 years ago. And we started it from these devices called RLS 3060. The next step, it was RLS 2020. And the new one, what I'm focusing today, they are called RLS 5100V and RLS 3060V. These numbers in the name of the product, it actually means the actual range of the detection. So RLS 5100, this is 5100 meters. RLS 3060, this is 30 per 60 meters detection pattern. And what is Pro? What is Pro? Because we called this new series of our systems like a Pro. The reason of Pro, this is they are actually designed for the security purposes. So as I said, detection pattern, this is 100 per 50, 30, 60 per 60 meters. And because of the rectangular shape, it is much easier to make the design for actual sites. So you can use less number of units covering the same area, like if you compare it with previous red scan. The technologies, because we use more powerful processors in that, and we have much more data, and we use it because of the data, because of the processing. We use it advanced algorithms for the discrimination between weather obstacles because of recognition, the fog, the rain, etc., etc. They are also improve it with the reliability to the environmental circumstances. Outer area adjustment. So if you have the layer of snow getting higher, so it automatically adjusts to this actual level of the ground. Small animal tolerance. So at the ground, when you have the small animals appeared, we can use the less sensitive zone to avoiding the detection of the small animals. Environmental resistance function, because of this algorithms, we can enable it, we can disable it, we can use the more advanced enhanced processing. As you can see, the rectangular shape, this is the part of the fan shape, and if you need it, we can extend the detection area from 50 meters to 80 meters. So it means actual both sides 160 meters, and from 30 meters to 50 meters for 3060 device. And we have to remember that because of the optics, because of the geometry, there is no the same possibility of detection, the same size of the object and at the different especially at this extended range. So at the extended range, it is rather for detection shapes like car body, like machine, than the human body. But the human body in the standing, in the walking position, is also detected at this extended range. Also, it varies because of the color. So for high reflection, and low reflection, there is a difference in the size of the detected object. And what is needed in these days? This is the high possibility of the integration with the other systems. So these devices, these laser scanners, are embedded with the on-with possibilities, and they use the popular network protocols, DNS, DHCP, NTP, and also all these required security protocols to having it more secure and not easy to be broken by intruders. As the typical alarm system requires analog inputs and especially outputs, and also inputs. So also we have up to 6 programmable outputs can be easily connected to the regular control panel. Power supply, power over Ethernet plus, as well as 24 volts. So this is wired 24 volts possible as a power supply. Visualization of the detection area, camera, 2 megapixel camera is embedded, and also in the body you can adjust the vertically and horizontally the detection pattern, the actual detection line. All these settings can be done using the web browser, so you don't need to use the additional software for adjusting the detection pattern like it was previously. Also, we have some storage for the records, for verification the data, for verification the reasons of alarms on the log function. Type of alarm together with the capture from the camera is possible to be verified after the alarm. And in the memory, it is possible to save in the internal memory up to 500 events. The housing is designed to be used as a vertical or horizontal detection area. It can be mounted to the wall, to the ceiling, or to the pole. Everything from the same body. You don't need to use the additional brackets. For high range of the detection, it is useful to have the different scenarios in the different parts of the detection pattern. So it is possible to use the different sensitivity and different size of the object to be detected to define it in the different area of the detection pattern. Also, the profiles to be easily switched between day-night, and the different conditions of the detection between day-night, or for the opening the gate, closing the gate, etc. Also, function for the masking area, for the area allocating. Here, for example, you can for day scenario, you can use detecting hands in these zones, detecting small object like a human hand in these points. For night, this is just approaching to the wall. For better adjustment to the site, you can paint the body with the color you require. Heaters. It is possible to attach the optional heater to defrost the laser window to make it more reliable in the winter weather circumstances. Programmable output. You can see this is the easy access to the analog output, as well as they are programmable, as well easy output to the Ethernet cable. So this is because it looks that I'm just on time. So this is the brief information about that new laser scanner, and I'm ready to use to answer your questions in the on the lobby or on the direct meetings. So I'm here to be to answer your questions later on. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Jacek, for being with us. It was a nice presentation, and wow, what can laser do? That sounds like it was like, wow, that was a science fiction a few years ago. Now it's something you do like click, 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 it works. Thanks for that.
Yes.
We have two questions for you, Jacek, if you're ready.
Okay.
First one.
Yeah.
First one is not that difficult for you. How do we ensure accuracy of LiDAR data at all the time?
We designed this devices for detection persons, so human body. So resolution of the laser and the response from the reflection and alarm conditions. They are designed for the human body, but you can easily adjust this conditions. So as it was on the one picture, you can in the one zone you can detect the human body like it is more than 30 centimeters here in the shoulders, but in the another area when you need the detection of the hand touching the picture of the wall. You can define the resolution of the scanning for the detection like a 10 centimeters. So because of the resolution of the scanning, because of this angle resolution, 0.125 degrees, you are able to detect even this 30 centimeters shoulders body at the distance of 50 meters. So this is quite high resolution, and you have to remember that even on this 50 meters, this is still it must be strong laser, but this laser is still safe for the human eye.
Okay, so that's quite precise and accurate when you tell it that way. The next question and the last question is very modern and very probably useful in the industry. Can we use the LiDAR on drones? And what happens if we hit the trees, or if they have to scan through trees?
This is still the technology using the light. So there is no something like a X-ray. So if you have the a non-transparent obstacle like a tree,
okay.
So I'm sorry, you cannot see beyond the tree. For the detection of the drones, it is not recommended to install the laser looking upwards, because during the water, the rainfall, during the snowfall, it is easily covered by the water, by the snow. But if you have the roof, you can protect the roof for the landing drones. And even with the previous detectors, I was involved in such kind of projects. So it was a, how to say, security data transmission tower should be protected against the drones, and they use the laser technology to protect the surroundings of this tower itself.
So I get it that you are already thinking about next level. That's always good. Thank you so much, Jacek, for being with us. Enjoying the rest of the day.
Okay, thank you very much.